Hello, this is the lecture number 8 for the chapter differential equation for the class 12th, and we are discussing in the last lecture the exercise 9.5 on homogeneous differential equation. Now we are taking with question number 8. You first of all arrange in dy dx form. It will be y minus x sine y upon x. Now it is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 1 because the degree of each term here is 1. The degree of this term is 1, the degree of this term is 1, the degree of this term is 1. We don't have to take the angle. Now as usual, you let y is equal to vx. Where if it is asked in the exam to prove that it is a homogeneous, then you have to replace y in place lambda x in place of y. You have to replace lambda y in place of y and lambda x in place of x. So as usual, dy upon dx will be equal to this. ये dy dx की वैल्यू हमेशा यही आती है, तो इट विल बी v प्लस एक्स dv अपॉन dx इज इक्वल टू vx माइनस एक्स साइन v. y अपॉन एक्स आपका v होता है अपॉन x, and as usual always in the right hand side all the x will be cancelled out by taking x common, and v से v cancelled out, तो dv upon sin v is equal to dx upon x we are getting. It is a very easy integration we are getting. You can take the integration on both sides. In the left hand side it will become cosec, in the right hand side it will be this. So it is minus का log of mod x, cosec का integration log cosec x minus cot x, because all the terms in log, so you can take the constant in the log. So you can use the properties of the log as in the previous questions and cancel out the log. You will get this into left hand side. It will become x cos v cosec v minus cot v is equal to log c. c से c will, because left में अगर ये प्लस हो जाएगा and प्लस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाता है. Now you replace the value of v. This is the question number 8. Question number 9. If by doing these differential equation, your integration will become strong. Now in question number 9, y dx minus का x log y upon x and dy minus का 2x dy. Again in this question we are getting dy in two terms. So first of all you have to arrange it in the form dy upon dx. So I am taking minus dy common, so it will become y upon, take this to the right hand side, dy upon dx, so it will become x log y upon x plus 2x. It will become dy upon dx, because the degree of each term is 1, the degree of this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. You don't have to take the value of the log, so you have to let y is equal to vx. So it will be dy upon dx will be equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So vx x log v, in place of this it will be 2x, and dy dx is v plus x dv upon dx. You have to do it like this. In the left hand side x will be cancelled out, so it will be log v plus 2. Take v to the left hand side and subtract v plus v minus v log v minus 2v upon log v plus 2. It will comes out to be minus v log v minus v upon log v plus 2. Separate and integrate. You will get a separable variable, so it will be 2 plus log v upon minus v log v minus v with dv. This to the numerator, denominator in place of dx we have only this. Okay, now taking integration on both sides, integrate. You can let v log v minus v as t and you'll get the answer. Now in question number, see it very carefully, 10, it is a second type homogeneous differential equation because we have here in place of y upon x we have x upon y. If you see it carefully, so it will be this is the equation. So here we'll find the value of dx upon dy in place of dy upon dx. Dx upon dy will be x upon y minus 1 e की power x upon y upon 1 plus e की power x upon y. I have taken this to the right hand side, positive, negative, and upon this dx upon dy, and here we let, now it is a homogeneous differential equation because if we replace in place of x as x lambda and y as y lambda, you will get the same equation. And the degree here of each term is 0 because x upon x it is degree 1, it will be cancelled out, it will be 0, the degree of this is 0, the degree of this is 0, and the degree of this is also 0. So you have to let here as in place of y is equal to vx, you have to let x is equal to vy, and you have to find dx upon dy as v and y dv upon dy. Replace it here, v plus y dv upon dy will be equal to x upon y will be equal to v e की power v upon 1 plus v. Take v to the right hand side, y dv upon dy, it will be v minus 1 e की power v upon 1 plus v minus v. Simplify it, y dv upon dy will be equal to e की power v into v minus e की power v minus v plus it will be v square. It will be minus v square upon 1 plus v. So this is the dv upon dy. Something is wrong here. I think some calculation part is becoming difficult. In question number 10 we have the equation we are getting as v e की power v e की power v and e की power v minus v, and it is 1 plus v. You see the calculation once more. We are getting v plus y dy upon dy is equal to e की power v minus 1 upon, this is e की power v, not v, it is e की power v. Okay, this is e की power v. So when you add it, it will be v e की power v, so that this will be cancelled out. इससे थोड़ा सा आसान हो गया, वहाँ पर थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था. So we are getting y as y dv upon dy is equal to, I am getting as minus e की power v minus v upon 1 plus v e की power v and e की power v. Now separable variable, in place of dv it will be 1 plus e की power v upon e की power v plus v minus dy upon y, like this. सेपरेबल वेरिएबल करने पर ये आ जाएगा आपका, और इसका इंटीग्रेशन बहुत इजी है. अगर आप इसको t मानेंगे तो 1 प्लस ई की पावर v आ जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा log e की पावर v प्लस v, और ये माइनस का log y हो गया, और कांस्टेंट भी आप log में ले लीजिए, कांस्टेंट भी log, क्योंकि सारी के सारी टर्म log में है. यू टेक टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इस तरह का हम बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन में कर चुके हैं. प्लस का हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, लॉग से लॉग कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और v की जगह हर जगह आप क्या रखेंगे, x अपॉन y. सो दिस इज द होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल सेकंड टाइप इन विच वी हैव टू लेट x इज इक्वल टू vy. इसका इंटीग्रेशन ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं आया है, इजी आया, थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन पार्ट थोड़ा सा इसका हो गया है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 यू हैव टू फाइंड द पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन का मतलब होता है आपको c की वैल्यू, जैसे हमने लास्ट एक्सरसाइज सेपरेबल वेरिएबल में करा था, वहाँ पर आपको c निकालने के लिए कंडीशन दे रखी होती है. c निकालने के लिए कंडीशन, और करने का क्वेश्चन तरीका यही होता है. तो आई एम टेकिंग द क्वेश्चन एज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ये सारे पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशंस हैं. All these are particular solutions in which you have to find the values of C on the given condition. So I am taking the question number 14. It is dy upon dx minus y, rather it is equal to y upon x minus cosec y upon x. So as usual, take y is equal to vx. dy upon dx will be equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Replace it here. So it will be v plus x dv upon dx. y upon x will be v minus cosec v. ये कैंसिल हो गया. तो ये तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन हो गया. cosec इधर आ गया डिनोमिनेटर में, सेपरेबल वेरिएबल हो गया, माइनस का dx अपॉन x हो गया. टेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन ऑन बोथ साइड्स. ये इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा साइन आकर के ऊपर, और इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो log ऑफ मॉड x है ही, प्लस c हो जाएगा. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन माइनस का cos v होता है. तो इंटीग्रेशन तो इजी हो गया. यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं था. नाउ इट इज़ गिवन दैट y इज इक्वल टू 0 व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू 1. तो पहले आप यहाँ पर y और इसकी v की वैल्यू रिप्लेस करो, तो हो जाएगा और y अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू माइनस का मॉड c. ठीक है, ये हमारा. इसमें आप रखिए, आप y की वैल्यू 0 दे रखी है. जब हमारे पास x कितना है, इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1, इट इज़ गिवन. सो रिप्लेस इट. इट विल बी माइनस का cos 0 इज इक्वल टू माइनस का log 1 प्लस c. log 1 क्या होता है, 0 होता है. तो c की वैल्यू आपके पास -1 आ गई है. c की वैल्यू आपके पास -1 आ गई है. ठीक है, और ये वैल्यू आप कहाँ पुट कर दो, c की, पुट इन 1. यहाँ पर रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं -1. सो दिस इज़ द पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. बिल्कुल वैसे ही सॉल्व करना है आपको जैसे होमोजेनियस करते हैं. बिल्कुल लास्ट में c निकालने के लिए आपको कंडीशन दे रखी होगी. दैट इज़ नोन एज द पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. सो ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक है, इन विच यू हैव टू फाइंड द पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. Now in question number 16, it is a homogeneous differential equation of second type. So it has been asked what you have to let. We know that we have done in question number 10. The second type of homogeneous differential equation is dx upon dy is equal to h x upon y. So what you have to let? You have to let that x is equal to vy. ये हमने डिस्कस करा था क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. तो x is equal to vy, that is the third option. Now in question number 17, 4 parts are given and you have to tell which of the following are the homogeneous differential equation without letting in replacing in place of y as lambda y, in place of x lambda. You can easily tell which is of the homogeneous differential equation or not. Now you see that the degree of this term is 1, the degree of this term is 1, but the degree of this term is 0 because it does not contain the variable. So it is not a homogeneous differential equation. Or if properly you have to show it, then you have to put x is equal to x lambda and y is equal to y lambda, and if it is getting the same differential equation, and then it will be a homogeneous differential equation. Let us take the second part and see whether it is a homogeneous or not. Next is xy dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. The degree of this term is 3, the degree of this term is 3, but the degree of this term is 2 because x into x is 1 plus 1, that is 2, so it is not a differential equation. ये भी differential equation नहीं है. Let us take the next. It is x cube plus 2y square dx plus 2x into y dy. The degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 3, so it is not a differential equation because the degree of each term is not same. Or in the second way, as usual, if you replace the value of x as x lambda and y as y lambda, if you are getting the same dy dx, then it will be a homogeneous differential equation. So last is y square dx plus x square minus x into y minus y square into dy. The degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 2, x into x into y 1 plus 1 2, and the degree of this term is 2. So yes, it is a homogeneous differential equation. So this is the completion of this exercise 9.5, which contains the question based on homogeneous differential equation, and this is a somewhat lengthy exercise because it is completed in 3 lectures, because the integration we are getting in this exercise after putting y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy, we are getting long integrations. Okay, we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.